Lemon is a good tonic for digestive system, liver and pancreas. Excessive acidity gives more arthritis, more, the liquid between the bones get dried up, but lemon can help in that. It is also good for all kind of pains and inflammations in the joints. After cleansing is complete, the lemon oil can stimulate the pancreas and the entire endocrine system. Lemon is very useful for gallbladder stones as well. The emotional property of lemon is it uplifts the mood and takes the person to the next level of thinking or wherever they are stuck on. The next blend is eucalyptus. It comes from the leaves of the tree. Eucalyptus is useful for bronchial, cold, flu, asthma and many other respiratory systems. It can be used for cooling the body, protect us from bacteria and virus both, and it's a very good oil to remove, to bring down the fever fast. Eucalyptus and lavender. It can be applied alone or as a part of the blend for muscle aches and headaches. Eucalyptus tends to release the mental tension and stabilize the blood sugar level in the diabetic people. Eucalyptus become more antiseptic with the age. Now, the emotional property of this blend. Eucalyptus is an energy balancer. So when we take our clients to balancing state, we start using the eucalyptus for them. But we need to check the blood pressure of the client. Without that, we cannot add the eucalyptus in the blend. Eucalyptus tends to give the inner strength. It helps to develop the leap of faith comes when you use eucalyptus. And such people, when you use eucalyptus, it increases the faith in divine more. Eucalyptus takes away all your doubt and bring you on the surface and you start attending your emotions properly. It helps in purifications of thought. Contradiction for this oil is do not massage to babies or young children and store away from homeopathic medicines. The next blend is fennel seed. The medical quality of this blend is it's an excellent remedy for all stomach and digestive disorders. Fennel supports the liver in producing the enzymes and good for digestion, cleansing pancreas and blood sugar levels. Fennel also helps to balance the hormones. It also produces the estrogens. It is very good blend for women in PMS. Fennel should be used when it is insufficient excretion of urine. Fennel gives energy and strength without putting on weight. It's an appetite suppressant. Fennel increases milk in the nursing mothers. It reduces the effect of alcohol on the body. Used in skin strengthening formula and in anti-parasite. Fennel with a slow dose, slowly it can cure the cancer as well. It helps to draw out the poison from the insects. Like in old times, when if any insects or snake bite happen, they used to put fennel. So it can remove the poison also out of the body. So what's the emotional meaning of this or the emotional effect of this blend? Fennel, because of its affinity to the liver, it can create the positive impact on a whole range of emotions. Because in the liver we store anger. So if this seed or this blend can work on the anger, it means we detoxified from it. Fennel can help when we are feeling overwhelmed by our responsibilities or overworked or overloaded or overburdened. It can also stimulate our mind with the creative ideas when we are bored out of sorts. Fear of failure is often the root cause of delaying or postponing something. So fennel seed helps us to get the creativity and the confidence back. Can help us in start any project we have been putting off for a long time. It's not advised for young children. Avoid in pregnancy. High dose can disturb the nervous system. So fennel seed is good. In the home also we can see sometime when the clients calls us from different country and we cannot source the blend to them immediately. We tell them go to the grocery shop, buy the fennel seed, boil the 100 grams of fennel seed and dip your feet, because Fennel seed has a property to remove the minus IR from the body. So this is the immediate relief we can give it to the client. If the medicines are not working on the client and he is hospitalized and not able to, no change is happening in their parameters, then we start giving the fennel blend. Along with the other blends, we mix it and we put it under their feet. The person will start receiving the medicine. Medicine will start working on them. The next oil is frankincense. We all know it's a very, very old, ancient thing which every houses we are doing it. The source of this oil is gum of the bark of the tree. The medical quality of frankincense is it has a reputation worldwide for crossing the blood and the brain barrier, carrying oxygen to the blood cells, nutrients to the pineal and pituitary gland within the brain. It has very beneficial effect of chronic respiratory conditions such as cough, bronchitis and asthma. Frankincense is of one of the benefit of condition when it is like nervous system got tension and emotional trauma. It is very good tonic for uterus, abnormal heavy bleeding, and it's also a good tonic for reproductive system, and it is safe to be used in pregnancy. It's a very good skin care. It prevents anti-aging and wrinkle. It's best for the immune system. The emotional side of this blend. It's an excellent choice for those who are afraid of death, fear coming changing their life or getting old, or have suffered the loss of loved one. It helps us link the past with the future, allowing us to go further, connect the cause and the effect, action and consequences to another. As we make the connection, we choose our course and we become more wise. So it's the oil for wisdom. Next blend is geranium. It comes from the source of flowers and the leaves. The medical quality of geranium is it helps in regenerate the tissues and nerve. It's excellent for skin disorders, anything related to skin, eczema, burns, fungal infections, oily or dry skin or varicose wounds or dry eczema, everything can be healed. It's for me, lavender and geranium are like brother sister, safe to use. Geranium discharges the toxins from the liver and adding the liver, gallbladder and kidney into the better position and functioning. Gastric ulcers, diarrhea, jaundice and kidney stones, we can work with the geranium oil. Geranium is one of the best oil for circulations, problems such as hemorrhoids, and is helpful in slowing down the bleeding. It lowers down the blood sugar level. Before blending, we need to check the client's blood sugar. It helps in hormonal balance. Now the emotional property of geranium. It helps to remove the negative emotions and memories, and helps in there is a delete button in our body. All the images, old pictures can be deleted, and geranium can activate that. It's a tonic to the nervous system, reduces the stress and anxiety. If it lifts the spirit up and helps in fighting the depressions. It's a good oil for nervous fatigue when the body is exhausted but the mind just won't let the body give rest. Geranium is potent oil for those whose moods are 1 minute up, 1 minute down. There is no contradiction, none. The next oil is ginger. The source of the oil is from the root. The medical quality of the ginger is it warms the body and the soul, helping one to tap into their hidden reserves of energy. Ginger is used from a lot of ancient times for toning and stimulating the digestive tract for circulation. It helps to restore the appetite. It stimulates the fire in the belly. So when we are treating solar plexus chakra, we use ginger blend as well. When you go to any nutritionist, the first she's gonna work on is on your fire in the belly. She will add ginger tea in your diet. Ginger essential oil stimulates the sexual drive. It helps in curing impotency as well. Ginger helps in muscular pains and arthritis. It helps in sweating and reducing the fever faster. It also works on effects on the alcohol on the body. It helps us in relieve the feeling of nausea and morning sickness. The people who have cold hand and feet, it's a great remedy for them. Now the emotional aspect of ginger. Ginger is for usually dynamic individuals who have lost their drive and ambition and become empathetic and confused. The aroma of ginger strengthens our willpower, activates our initiative, restores our determination. It can boost our confidence in ourselves and give additional vitality, and it makes the person ambitious. The ginger essential oil increase the physical energy and the stamina in the person. It influences how we relate to money and how we feel about our material possessions. Ginger helps in opening the capillaries of our body. It can be used when there is a headache coming in. That's why in every Indian home we have ginger tea as a part of our culture. The next blend here is grapefruit oil. The source of this oil comes from the peel of the fruit. The medical quality of this grapefruit is it aids as a gallstone, kidney and liver disorders. Grapefruit detoxify the lymphatic system. It's specifically used for water retention and dissolving the celluloid. So people who want to lose weight, start eating grapefruit or use it as a blend. It helps in stimulating the digestive system. It relieves the migraine and the people who have long jet flights. It's one of the best oil for menstruation and water retention. It helps in balancing the central nervous system. It relieves people when they are in maniac depression, nervous exhaustion, and performance stress. It is used for treatment of drugs withdrawal to cope up with after effects of drinking. It helps in removing oil and acne from the skin. It has the ability to stop the tumor growth. The emotional side of this blend. The grapefruit is a very happy oil. We call it a very joyful and positive blend. It can be a ray of light, really ray of light in the dark room and depression. Grapefruit is very good for mental exhaustion and mental tension. It uplifts the mind and the spirit. It's hard to be negative and anxious in the presence of this oil. It promotes feeling of joy, confidence and spontaneity. It's a phototoxic. It cannot be used for people when they are undergoing any organ transplant or kidney. We need to be cautious. We cannot go out in ultraviolet rays or in the sunlight till 12 hours of using grapefruit. So this oil needs to be blended in the night time. Next oil is holy basil. The source of the oil is leaves, stems and flowers. The basil has strong affinity for respiration tract. We all in our Indian culture we use basil a lot. It's very good for chest infections, asthma, bronchial, cold and cough, sinuses. It brings out the mucus out of the lungs and it lubricates the respiratory tracts easily. It reduces the growth of a tumor. It stimulates the immune system and increase the production of white blood cells in the body. It supports the respiratory system, asthma, sore throat, respiratory problems. The emotional side of it is it improves the attention span and problem solving capability in the mind. Next blend is lemongrass. The source of the oil is from the leaf. It's easily grownable in every country, every home. Lemongrass is one of the best oil for disinfection and purifying around the home. So when we make the client's home blend, home energizing blend or their office energizing blend, we use lemongrass. Lemongrass improves the circulation. It improves the oxygen flow in the body. It regenerates the connective tissues in the body and repair all the ligaments and all the muscles, ligaments. It is also used for weight loss programs. It is useful in bladder and kidney disorders. It helps in treating the varicose veins. It also helps in treating lymphatic drainage. It helps to strengthen the immune to fight infection and reduces the fever. The emotional side of this fragrance is it awakens the curiosity. It encourages us to go outside. It encourages us to connect to the outer world and to the nature the most. And it helps the people to go out of their comfort zones. Who are stuck in their comfort zone and they're not going to the new opportunities, we use this blend. Lemongrass should be used to clean our energy system, negative situations which are out of our control. Excessive use of lemongrass can cause the skin irritation. The next blend is mandarin. Again, brothers, sisters, it's also happy oil. When we want to make people happy, immediately they are sad, we give them mandarin. In fact, we tell them to go for massage immediately because next day morning they are happy. It comes from the peel of the fruit. Medical quality of this, it's gentle and it's a supportive healer. It heals very subtly. If I cannot go with the client and I cannot be with the client forever, I will give them mandarin because I'm giving another healer to them. It's especially for good who are at recovering stage from illness or any trauma or any shock or any loss in their life. Whenever any illness comes from deep sadness, this oil helps to bring the person back. It stimulates their appetite especially after illness or loss of hunger due to depression. So after surgeries, when the people are on medicines and they have no appetite, we give them mandarin to them. It's good for digestion and constipation and diarrhea. It affects on liver, metabolism process. It's very good for children as well and safe for children. It reduces the fluid retention in the body. The fragrance influence means how does it affect us emotionally? The mandarin promotes feeling of deep happiness. Not from anybody, not from the money, not from computer or car or property, just you're happy by yourself. Mandarin also provides firmness and sense of self that allow a personal growth and the spiritual development. This oil is a good choice when you want to dwell upon your past and close the chapter. This oil is used for people who have gone through a big traumas in their life. The next blend is nutmeg oil. In our Indian culture and kitchens, we usually use this in all our curries and dishes. The source of the oil is seed and fruit. The medical quality of this oil is affinity for digestive disorders. It removes all the bacterial and it removes all the viruses from the stomach. Chronic diarrhea, gallstones, sluggish digestion, poor assimilation of nutrients, nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, bad breath, everything can be solved by nutmeg. Nutmeg supports the immune function very fast. The improvement in the circulation that nutmeg can bring often, it can help in vertigo also. It helps in concentration and mental stress. The emotional angle of this or the emotional effect of this blend is it gives you the emotional stability, makes you happy. Nutmeg rekindles the fire within our soul and help us to regain our lost passion for life and love. It seems to lift the weight of the world out of our shoulder and makes us feel relaxed, and we are ready for situations and challenges to face. We use this oil for healing heart chakra. Nutmeg cannot be used regularly. It's only for some time. It overstimulates the heart, it overstimulates the cardiovascular muscles, and we cannot use it for long. It can be used as one dose, strong dose, but then no. It's like an electric shock you're giving to heart to open. It should be used with extreme cautious. In another word, the nutmeg is a really great oil when we are blending it because it mixes with other and it increases its property. It's like it's a user-friendly oil because some oils doesn't go with the others.